One,
What's-
2, 3, go.
What's up, my M family?
Today, guys, here we go. As I said last night, we about to having some mukbang Filipino style sinigang. So we got the sinigang, and once again, here you go. Eric is joining with us today to eat for a mukbang episode. So guys, before anything else, let's start to pray. Okay?
So guys, we are back from praying, and
Yeah.
let's dig in.
So we got our brown rice, guys. And we got our papaya salad. So let's eat it, guys. Join with us. Come on. So
And we're back, y'all, with a better setup.
yeah, try to sit up so you guys can see it. So we have chili. My son. Oh my God, this is hot. So let's see. So let's start it, guys. So guys, so this is another mukbang. So I hope you guys gonna like, comment below what you think about this mukbang again today. And then guys, if you have another any a good idea and what kind of mukbang the next video that you want us to try, so don't hesitate, guys, to comment below and share your ideas. So we are trying to make it as for you. So today, guys, this is our sinigang that I told you. We got some okra, we got some cabbage to go with it, and this is like a pork sinigang, like a Filipino. Today we have Filipino. So let's dig in, guys. Sarap. Sarap ng sinigang, guys. Filipino style. He ate the chili himself with the hands. Because in my country, guys, we just wash our hands already. So you didn't guys say that, but we already clean our hands to make sure clean our hands. So masarap ka. Sili. How do you like it? Good? What you think? What you tell them about the Filipino? You like the sinigang? What was your favorite food as far as Filipino food?
I have a lot of favorite Filipino foods, from trying them and my mom cooking them. I don't really know how to say the names of like a lot of our cultured food. I like I don't know how to say it.
Adobo, chicken adobo.
Yeah, chicken adobo.
Paang na manok.
I like their chicken feet, how they make it. They also make it like chicken adobo.
Good night. Mmm. Sarap guys. Meron tayong sauce dito. Sauce sa mga gulay. I don't know if you guys see it, but mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Very good, y'all.
Mmm. Cool. Sarap. Mmm. Kanin. Mmm. Mmm. Okra. Mmm. Mmm. Pork guys, sobrang tender. Ang sarap ng pagkaluto ko. Tingnan, sobrang lambot. It's very, very tender guys. I didn't, I'm surprised. I didn't expecting that it's like tender like this. Mmm. Mmm. Chili guys. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. Sarap! Ang sarap! Tama-tama lang yung anghang guys. Sobrang sarap. Medyo malamig dito. Hindi ko naklain kaninang umaga guys. I didn't expecting this morning when I woke up to go to work. It's like snowing. I was like, oh my gosh. I mean, I thought it's already summertime, but I guess it's not done yet. So, I didn't expect it today. I'm like really surprised this morning when I get outside that I'm about to hit my car, before I left. So I can't even barely like see. So I had to hit the car. I didn't expect it. That's why I didn't wake up earlier to hit my car before I left. So I ended up like scrubbing guys this morning. So this is crazy. So, mm. Mm.
Taste more rice.
Mm. 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 Sarap. Mm. 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 Sarap to. Ano dit? Put on like that. To make it right?
I'm just eating it now.
Just eating. Woo. Sobrang sarap guys. Let's go guys. Eat. Finally, this first time that we cook sinigang for a long time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's so good. Mm. 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 Ah. Ah. Sarap. It's so good. Oh my gosh. So comforting. Mm. 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 So, meron kaming brown rice guys. Uy. Brown rice. Mm. 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 Talong guys. That's it. That's good. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Mm-mm.
Kan daw pa. Papaya guys.
Very good, y'all.
My son like it. This is favorite, right?
I will be having my own YouTube channel set up soon. On the next mukbang, probably I will leave it in the description box below.
Yeah guys, don't forget also to support and subscribe his channel. Keep it from the family. From the M family. Let's pause.
Hi guys. Let me show you guys the meat. It's like tender.
Sobrang lambot yan. Sarap. Kaluto. Kasi kahapon ko pa yan inano eh. Kahapon ko pinalambot yan. Kasi nga, di ba, kahapon dapat sana lulutuin ko. Kaso lang, yun nga, sabi ko nung last video ko na inano na medyo pagod ako nung pag-uwi ko. So, kaya, ang kagawin ko ngayon. Doon na namin. Yun kayo. Dinagdag ko na rin yung mga gulay.
You guys, so I have sweet tea, raspberry.
Comment below guys. I said maybe this Friday because one of our viewer commented that he wanted us to try some seafood. So we might having a seafood mukbang this Friday. So abangan you guys. So don't forget to follow us this Friday coming up. So we are trying to make that happen, the seafood mukbang for you just guys.
For the M family.
For the M family.
Y'all think I'm full.
So masarap ba?
The papaya salad.
Okay, my son. Try this one, son. Okay.
I had a bad experience with this, y'all.
Sobrang pait guys. Ano kaya? Okra guys. Chili. Mm, 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 mm.
You guys.
Hold on. Okay, guys. Once again, thank you for watching
our
for
channel.
our video for our channel
Mm-hmm.
and for our sinigang mukbang today, Filipino style. So here you go, guys. So I'll see you guys next time with the next video. So
For the E
see you
family.
guys for the Im family.
Love you guys.
Thank you, mga
Bye.
ka-team Filipino.